First, the top news headlines. Amit Shah says Manipur will now come under ambit of ILP system. Manpek says ILP remarks by Chief Minister quite confusing. ILP in Manipur a dream and long-standing demand of people, says Chief Minister Biren. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Union Home Minister Amit Shah in the Lok Sabha today said there is no political agenda behind the Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB and there is no question of injustice with anyone. His remarks came in a discussion after the lower house voted in favor of introducing CAB despite protests from opposition, which labeled the legislation regressive. Shah during the discussion also said Manipur will now come under the ambit of the inner line permit ILP system. This big issue has now been resolved, Shah added. According to media reports, the Lok Sabha saw a war of words between Home Minister Amit Shah and the opposition, with Shah insisting that the bill was not even 0.001% against the minorities of the country.
जिन्होंने मणिपुर की सालों पुरानी मांग को आज समाप्त
Citizenship Amendment Bill, which seeks to grant Indian citizenship to non-Muslim refugees from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan escaping religious persecution there, was tabled in Lok Sabha today amid protests from northeastern states. The BJP has issued a 3-line whip to all its lawmakers to be present in Parliament from today till Wednesday. The bill has triggered widespread protests in northeastern states with a large section of people and organizations opposing the bill, saying it will nullify the provisions of the Assam Accord of 1985, which fixed March 24, 1971 as the cut-off date for deportation of all illegal immigrants irrespective of religion, according to a report. Apart from this, Amit Shah is slated to move the Arms Amendment Bill 2019 and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will move the Anti-Maritime Piracy Bill 2019 among others today. Co-convener of Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill, Manpak Ningthauza Lancha today said that the announcement made by Chief Minister N. Biren about extension of ILP to Manipur is quite confusing. He claimed that the government of India has betrayed the people of the state on various occasions. Lancha questioned the intent of the ILP remark. He was speaking during an alert meeting at the temporary Khairamban Ima Kaitel, which was attended by women vendors.
Parliament bill oina puthora abara haibagi wafam aduneba. Whether it has been tabled in the parliament as a bill, ai bache oina puthora abra Manipur ILP chanarani ase. Miyam bo hanjan hanjan namthak toba apang masibagi phibam che tobirano. Let the bill pass. Manipur ki damang ta akhan naba bill lama amta pass tor kisanu parliament ta till that day. Adugi numit tubaudi mayam handan phamgi batai. Phone ama toraga madu chanarani haiga koi nungai pham tokte chumi achumbo oisanu. Manipur ki damang ta aseng ba thabak ama toroksanu. But hauji chathari ba hauji ta haudangai di madugi bill do thokle e pass tore haibado ai bache oina nataga miyam na India ki parliament na madu approve tore haiba kantu da main pack na miyam da haijarake adu phawbadi ai koi ki khongjang che hanbanai da changchan chi haida miyam da thamjari.
Taking part in the meeting, President of Nipi Samaj T.H. Ramani said that promises made by the government of India are not trustworthy since they have a long history of deceiving the people on various occasions. Ramani said the government should not cheat the people in the effort to pass citizenship bill.
Amisana Parliament da lawgani soina lawgani haiba phirepse nupi singi damakta karamba mawong da lawi doge adubo hana tawne na haiba matam da ding asi bhaw da chahi mayam dina thaja dabana praja miyam na ne ngasi syamna wari se thaja da ba sang na oi da ba ngang ki batu na ni masida oi da ba ngang adine praja mayam chauni ko aduna koi ima se chahi yam ba ni ngasi bau da India na park pada ngasi bau do nungai bang khangde Manipura da su BJP na pai re Delhi da su BJP na pai re pari basina BJP ki mina koi ke parliament da haja bada tabi da ba praja ki aya ba apa ba ji pirak prabati aduk ki mati ihau ja yam thatina hogani hai baji amishana bahap tabiro.
President of lamjingbatomtv Momon in her speech during the meet declared that women folk of the state will not accept the bill and appeal to the state government to take into consideration the sentiments of the people rather than waiting for a signal from the center.
ngasi ma ai leiriba iramdam sigidam da khona hamdom phamnai ba ma ohelasi Manipur pija praja miyam gi adugum la ba wakhana ohelak pane ba adugum ba wakhal oheliba isa mana mama na pokpa asengba oiraga di mama laiba ki da mutak halagadi karigumba Amit Sahana haiba prime minister boy gi India ki lalong mayam se asum moithem tawra akhoi bu asum wari sanasi na tawra kawra moida kon ka dok soruk podi akhoi irom dom hingjaba aigi lairiba prajana yadabin aigi thamjei thadok charge na lakona hena mai pakadra haiba wakhalon jaina thamjaninge.
Allaying the public apprehension over Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, the Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Singh today informed that Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah had informed him over the phone that the inner line permit ILP system would be enforced in the whole state in order to exempt Manipur from the purview of CAB. Stating that implementation of ILP in the state has been a dream and a long-standing demand of the people of the state. The Chief Minister observed that people should thank the central government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Sri Amit Shah for their concerns for the state.
Manipur Pumba, Manipur ki praja lak kaya sina sahi kaya sumna laur ka lakpa aikogi indigenous population kanjuna bagi adugumba ILP or masiga manaba और मधु की दमकता कोई मणिपुर पीपल्स बिल से हमने असेंबली द पास होगी बदुदगी है न कनबा है न फुल्ली प्रोटेक्टेड तोबा ऑलरेडी कोई की मिजोरम ट्राइबल स्टेट नागालैंड न सिंगबदा सन्नदन लेरबा आईएलपी मणिपुर द एक्सटेंड तौरगनी हाइदना लाउथोनी अदुना मणिपुर की प्रजा पुनमक अदुगा बीजेपी की कार्यकर्ता पुनमक लंबी द थोगा ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी की Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji ki Manipur ki damakta aikoina mangdaba mangumdaba potsak khara tawbirapagi damakta madugi thagatpa madugi haraubodo lambi lamsang punamakta haraubo phongtokpinaba thagatpinaba I mayamda appeal tawjari.
The Chief Minister was inspecting the solid waste treatment plant located at Lamjingbatomtv in Imphal West District and a site located nearby where a new biomedical treatment plant would be set up soon. Speaking to media persons, the Chief Minister said that the existing plant has no treatment facility for biomedical waste. Moreover, its daily consumption capacity is only 100 tons, though Imphal city discards around 130 tons of garbage every day. The Chief Minister informed, as such, there is urgent need for a new plant which also has the treatment facility of biomedical waste. Biren Singh said the Chief Minister also urged the public to keep garbage in proper places so that it can be collected by concerned NGOs and Imphal Municipal Corporation instead of dumping it into rivers and inappropriate places.
Biomedical waste management ama si gi waste management si gi mathakta ama ngasai ada ubiri do adugi jaga do da hapani aduga sidai da hanagi leiriba linkali basina consume to bangam da haidi 130 gumbane bo ji akhoi da puthoiba garbage ton se but where si da consume to ji 100 mutane ba ano 30 excess do adugi do da part ma hapsal laga operate torani aduna bazar da municipal area da mo kai langthok bo do paira ga thambina na ba Adumaga appeal towning Turienda, Karida, Soroka, and Tokidaba, Paira Tamaga, Queen Garino Concord, house to house collection to Toridana, Maduya Binava, support to you, Presamiam, than at my appeal towning.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, More New Bazaar Development Association inaugurates 2 new market sets at More Supermarket.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Baldev, a premier study circle, holiday special, day camp, class 1 to 8 starting 11 December 2019, timing 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Foundation course for class 9 and 10, subjects science, social science and mathematics, starting 16 December 2019. Registration on or before 10th December 2019. Van service available. Maximum 20 students per class for class 9 and 10. For more details, please visit Baldev, Uripo Khoisnam Lekai, Imphal.
Another one is government get haba soina phangba yargani. ICS coaching center na 100% job phangnaba gidamakta guarantee pidro lagli. India gi oina sarkar gi thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaliba ICS coaching center Imphal da sohanagan. ICS ki thoidokba officers singdi course amakhak ki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department singi haibadi banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court haibu singa sida thabak line phangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na minute mari natraga manga changadaba question singbu second ahum natraga mari da solve to bangamale. Imphal da laiba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chabu thamjari. For details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasamthong Hodam Lairak
Khurumjari Lamjingba finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani
amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan lawzare Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pisari
akupa marol gi damakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Mitain in the temple natragana
Lamjingba finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai
ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Traditional Healing Center Adungai Ipa Ipu Haktaktagi Chanaraklaba Maite Hidang Lying Jeri Iramdamda Fangliba Manamasing Kaya Sizinaduna Side Effect Laitana Lying Jeri Hakchangi Mari Suba Saru Sayang Samba Amadi Singli Lonsinaba Kaktanatana Haksang Fagatpangamdana Laiba Kaya Fagalhan Mangambalayingni Ngasimag Lengsin Biro Traditional Healing Center National Game Village Road Lamfelpat 795004 Contact number 961-255-8587.
Welcome back after the break. More New Bazaar Development Association MNBDA today inaugurated 2 new market sets at More Supermarket constructed under WOG-A's Worship Association. President T. Baite and Secretary and Construction in charge S. Haukupao attended the inaugural function. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary Haukupao said that failure of the state government to construct the market sets on time had left many women vendors in difficult situation, especially during rainy season. Even though the matter was put up many times before the concerned authority, they did not pay any heed to the call.
Supermarket se kanana sabano harga council the engineering cell na sabi bane ase yam phajaba building se More New Bayal Development Association ipui passing dona loshil harga se sahal le adugo makata basi government na kel to bidre.
Hundreds of volunteers of All Manipur Students Union AMSU today staged a protest rally in front of Kangla Western Gate in Imphal this morning. They held placards opposing their Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB, which is going to be tabled in the Lok Sabha later today. Speaking to media, AMSU President Basanta Thokchom lambasted the central government's step to implement CAB in the northeastern states. Basanta said that such step is an attempt to wipe out the indigenous people of the northeast states. The AMSU leader further said the union has been raising dissenting voice against such policy which is damaging to the indigenous people since 1980. He pledged that the union will continue to stand opposed to the contentious bill.
India da Manipur na puli ba simak aikoi gi piklaba phurbasi manghanjage haibagi damak punkhibena te haibasi central government khangbi gadamani north east da Meghalaya Arunachal Pradesh hariba mafam sing asida famnaiba singna minister MLA singna citizenship amendment be strongly opposed awi sanaba yaroi haiduna wafam phaw phongdokpa lai adubo Manipur gi di ngaklok su amata laijadaba citizen ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ILP ꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯦꯃꯦꯟꯗꯃꯦꯟ ꯕꯤꯜꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯖꯦꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯦꯃꯦꯟꯗꯃꯦꯟ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ MLAꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ MPꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯝꯁꯨꯅ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
The 50-hour Manipur-wide anti-CAB protest by Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill Manpack evoked near total response, with people suspending all daily activities for the day to join the protest. The protest affected normal life in the state. In Bishnupur district, protesters blocked Tidim Road at Nambol Foizing Bazaar, burning tires. Parents, guardians of successful candidates of MCS CCE 2016 today said that had the CBI quashed the MPSC conducted examination results after a thorough investigation, it would have been a better decision. During a press meet at Manipur Press Club Imphal, the parents and guardians of the 81 candidates also said the answer scripts should have been re-evaluated before quashing the results. Notably, in all, 81 MCS and MPS officers were recently terminated by the Manipur government from service after a Supreme Court ruling. Earlier, the Manipur High Court quashed the results of 2016 examination conducted by Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC and also the appointment of those recruited afterwards.
Police service the inspector oirambi yauri sumaina different capacity the officer oina thabak tawramaba adusu 2 years helaba matung the quas tawrabanina 2 years ki service len bhau the state government gi disane aduna makoi se hani service dum sang na bi lambi ju kakdat pigre adu hana gi leijana ma moi gi hingnaba gi pambai du su muthatla matung da haudi ta nauna mukka abani na kakpiramni na moi si nowhere. It seems that they have been thrown out in the streets. No, it's easier to run along the first of Managreb. Howziki lady Bansar script, Tadin lady Bansar script city evaluation to Viramaga, among the check to Viraba, evaluation to Viraba, through any competent authority. CBI no Podopira Kera, not a UPSC the town bigger, young and bio hybenida.
As many as 16 left-leaning organizations have called for a 12-hour assembly on December 10 to protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. The Notice Students Organization, NESO, has already called for an 11-hour notice ban from 5 a.m. on Tuesday on the same issue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today extended birthday greetings to Congress Interim President Sonia Gandhi and wished her a healthy life. Taking to Twitter, Modi said, "Birthday wishes to Mrs. Sonia Gandhi ji, praying for her long life and good health." Top Congress leaders also wished Gandhi, who turned 73 today. Media reports said the Congress interim chief, however, has decided not to celebrate her birthday in the wake of rape incident across the country and growing concerns over women's security. Sources said the longest-serving Congress president, Sonia Gandhi's exemplary strength of character has inspired generations of Congress leaders. Her strength, dignity, compassion, and grace has united us and made us strong. We wish her a very happy birthday, a tweet from the party's official Twitter handle said. Tripura came to a grinding halt on this morning as the 12th-hour ban against the Citizenship Amendment Bill evoked total response. The ban has been called by Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura IPFT in the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council TTAADC from 6 a.m. On the other hand, several indigenous tribal-based political parties form a joint forum named as Joint Movement Against Citizenship Amendment Bill JMACAB has also called ban for indefinite time in Tripura as per a report. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
India gi ahanba amasung anisuba IBBF Fitness Miss India contest ta anira gold loduna Manipur gi mingsat purakrabi Joyceni Devi gi instruction makhada hangdok seroi Valentina Fitness Center
nupi khaktagi oiba nupaga punna sanamina bagi nuaitaba koiba amata leiroidaba jimni Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction opposite Churajampur parking Mafam asida Zumba gym cardio na jingbagi sanaba khudong chabasu phangbigani Ayuk pung mga dagina numidang pung nipan pauba sanaba pangbaga loinana akupa marol gidamak Valentina Fitness kaisampa jangsan dagi khangbi bayagani. Lengsin birau nupi kaktigi oibazim Valentina Fitness kaisampa jangsan opposite Churachandpur parking. Telephone number 9612058028.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features mock test, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changnai na coaching tawhanba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Welcome back. Meghalaya Governor Tathagata Roy today said no state government can legally have a view of the Citizenship Amendment Bill and opposition to the bill is the height of absurdity. He also said that opposition to the Citizenship Amendment Bill is the height of absurdity. He further questioned whether anyone denied that Pakistan subjected its Hindu and other minorities to unbelievable persecution and forced them to flee to India. Tathagata Roy added that the worst sufferers are the people of East Bengal Hindus. Miss South Africa 2019 Zozobini Tunzi won Miss Universe 2019 held at Atlanta, Georgia last night. 26-year-old Tunzi won the 68th edition of the prestigious pageant after excelling through the swimsuit and evening gown round, and impressed judges with her answers on questions regarding social issues and one final chance to explain why she was the right choice. 26-year-old Zozibini Tunzi is from Solo, South Africa. She is quite active in fight against gender-based violence. The 2019 Miss Universe pageant was held last night in Atlanta, the capital of the U.S. state of Georgia. The pageant brought 90 women together to see who will bring home the title. Contestants competed in swimsuit, evening gown and on-stage question rounds. According to the official page of the pageant, Tunzi is a passionate activist and engaged in the fight against gender-based violence. After poor show by Congress in the Karnataka Assembly by-polls, leader of opposition Siddaramaiah today resigned as Congress Legislative Party CLP leader. The BJP retained majority in the Karnataka Legislative Assembly today after registering a victory in at least 10 of the 15 by-poll seats. A media report said the party is leading in other 2 seats, while Congress has won 2 seats and Independent is leading in 1. A media report said earlier today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the Karnataka people have punished the Congress and JDS and taught them a lesson. Elections were necessitated after 15 rebels MLAs from the Congress and JDS parties defected to the BJP in July in a bid to bring down the coalition government led by Chief Minister SD Kumaraswamy. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Sri Lanka's cricket team arrived in Pakistan today for their two-match test series, with the Pakistani government giving the visiting team the status of state guest. After more than 10 years, Test series will return to Pakistan in December when Sri Lanka will play their World Test Championship matches in Rawalpindi and Karachi. Major teams have avoided Pakistan since that 2009 terror attack on the Sri Lankan team in Lahore, which killed 8 people and injured several players. The first test will be played at the Pindi Cricket Stadium from December 11 to 15, while the second test will be held at the National Stadium from December 19 to 23rd. Sri Lanka played 3 ODIs and 3 T20 matches in September and October in Pakistan this year, though 10 key players opted out of that trip citing security concerns. But the test squad that arrived today is full strength. Sri Lanka Cricket SLC had announced that Suranga Lakmal would not feature in this series as he was down with dengue. 58 Mr. Manipur 2019 was held at Kumalampak Multipurpose Indoor Hall last night. The event was organized by All Manipur Bodybuilders Association Amba under Indian Bodybuilders Federation IBBF. Speaking at the event, Consumers Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Siam hailed Amba and its work. On the drug issue, the minister said that the youth and the people of Manipur must work closely with the government to tackle the problem of drug menace in Manipur.
Manipur the same any sports of power akoi sarkar banajamana phawbani sim di haijar aro ai mantri waragasu marandi sumai tawdana body builder association oiro adigi any tongan ba leiriba sanaroi su nungsibiba adi organization leiriba mayam sige credit ni haibodo oji anakpa phangna Manipur da drug ki karbar si sathare aduna tungi narol sinda apa phata khangdana drugs in attack tawre aduna shumba drug ki samasya se problems solve to jahai taragadi police kaltana politician kaltana uirue aduna akoi leiriba mayam sina magi laikai da magi ngamjaba jaga da maximum contribution je pira drug ki laiba ojiki Manipur da tawreiba adi landaraiba potse tingna bona bada achoba daitama lahoningi.
In the competition, Haubizam Minaketanovf asked Jim back the title of Junior Overall Mr. Manipur 2019, and Laitonjam Gulsen of KBB Jim Tera won the title of Mr. Manipur Overall Men's Sports Physique. Ingudam Kavita of KBB Gym bagged the title of Women Bodybuilding Open 2019, and Solimla Jazo of Royal Gym Ukhrul won the title of Women's Sports Physique Open 2019. Satyakumar Singh Thongam of Reborn Gym took home the overall Masters Mr. Manipur 2019. Yumlembam Chinglen Singh of Gym 24 Matripukri won the category of Physically Challenged 2019, and Konthauzam Arnold Singh of MPSC won the title of Senior Overall Mr. Manipur.
Relax. Now podium 6. Side. Matanda.
Anti-doping agency today banned Russia from global sporting events, including the 2020 Tokyo Olympics and the 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics, after accusing Moscow of falsifying data from an anti-doping laboratory, a media report said. A spokesperson for WADA, those executive committee is meeting in Lausanne, said the full list of recommendations have been unanimously accepted. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Amit Shah says Manipur will now come under ambit of ILP system. Manpek says ILP remarks by Chief Minister quite confusing. And Implementation of ILP in Manipur, a dream and long-standing demand of people, says Chief Minister Biren. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.